At fruitcore robotics, we believe automation should run reliable wherever it's used. That's why we train partners around the world, creating a strong global network for our customers.
Our customers expect fast response times and high service quality. In fact, with fruitcore's connectivity and remote access, we can support them within minutes, and the AI tools give us instant access to the knowledge I've never seen before.
During the 3 days, our partners gain the skills of programming, simulation, troubleshooting and maintenance of our products.
What makes this training special is how practical it is. You can go from concept to execution very quickly, which is not always the case in other trainings. And tools like the AI Copilot are a big advantage. It's like having expert support available anytime.
Our partners play a key role to bring in our technology closer to our customers around the world.
We became a fruitcore partner because the products offer great potential for customers. The training is very practical and prepares us for real situations in the field. That gives us the confidence to work independently and support customers effectively from day one.
Together with our partners, we make sure our products perform reliable wherever they are used.